The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Zhang Jike has a very effective reverse pendulum serve. Today, let's learn with Coach Zhang how to make a good reverse pendulum serve in table tennis, translated by Coach EmRatthich.
Ah, this is interesting. Table tennis, look. The bigger the venue, the more balls go off the table. Big venues have more resistance. Look at the long push, spin. Look at the provincial champion. This is how the provincial champion plays. It's really hard to return. Serve to the high point. Short serve to the forehand. The serves you did at the end. No. Straight line. Straight, straight short. I'm telling you. He can only push it. This is too slow to slow. A bit faster. Don't chop this ball. This serve a straight short one. Don't chop. Toss the ball. He doesn't know where you toss it or where you serve it. It's this kind of feeling, right? Yours is a bit high. Hard to serve. Lower it a bit. You're a bit messy now. He can place it easily. Serve it back. Back. Pull it back. He can only push. Go to the side, down and forward, right? Then he can't stand properly. Right. See. Good. This is very good. The weight of this, huh? Yes, yes. This is right. Good. Yes. That's right. Serve all afternoon. This is a good serve. The ball is very fast. This method. This serve can target the body. This serve is good. Great ball. With the same feeling, serve it short. This serve is good too. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell Hong Ziao he can't do it. He can't do it. Don't tell him. This is the same. That this is a bit difficult. For example, look at the long ones. The long ones. It's the same. Long is good. This rhythm, right? Good, good. It's the same early on. Master one thing first, the second will become easier. Speed. The lengths. First, find the feeling. See, the long one hits this spot. The short one also needs to hit this spot. When you come over here, serve it like this. This way of serving works. Adapt slowly. This is also the same. Get used to it. This, one step at a time. Don't rush. These are all correct. Take your time adapting. See, adapt slowly to this. Make the motion smaller. Don't use too much force. You can't exert force here and then here too. Right? Just serve it. Right? Don't stomp your foot, okay? Want to stomp dumplings, right? One is a stomp. Practice slowly. It's a rhythm issue. Stepping on the foot isn't a foul. Stepping isn't a foul either. This serve is great. Just study it. Experimenting is great. Anyway, you figure it out together. The shots are good. You want to serve short? Side spin wants to turn upward. Look at this. Is this short? It's definitely short. But here, if you serve here, it's not short. If you serve here, it's long. Do you see? This is the principle. But this way, the spin will definitely be strong. This way, its spin will be weaker. Look, the arc it draws curves like this, right? See how the arc curves like this? If you serve like this, look, upward. Whoever serves upward can't produce this kind of arc. See, the maximum arc looks like this. But if you aim over there, look, the arc will curve like this, right? But if you aim upward, it won't work. It will definitely be short. The ball itself, if it's soft, it will be short. If it's hard, it will go long. This serve is way too hard. Look, it won't go off the table right away. It's very simple, very simple. See, it won't go off the table. As long as it doesn't require much study, it's fine. If you serve upward, look here. At this point, you need it to go supposed to be like this. It definitely won't be like that. You served well. Look, this is it. This is good.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.